meditation on working hard and having little spare time. I call some of my friends slaves to money. Without taking a moment's rest, they exhaust themselves running here and there. They are forever leaving for Japan, for the United States, for Korea, and do not dare take any holiday. Naturally, if their activities are devoted to benefiting others or to developing their country, one can only rejoice at such an effort. Those who have noble goals and who work night and day to realize them deserve our praise. But even in these cases, it is good to take a rest from time to time to preserve one's health. It is better to be useful over a long period and at a moderate pace than to make inordinate efforts that are short-lived.